This is one form, right? And then doing the math, right? So far, and we're not done with your year yet. So, I mean, this is all from social media. So we get this question a lot. Is social media worth investing in for your business, right? I don't know, is it? But this is what I have to show you, right? I don't know if you know our story. If you do or you don't, we started our business when we were in Asia, the complete other side of the world, right? And we had no choice. We didn't have money to invest into Facebook or Instagram ads, right? We had to actually connect with people outside of Asia, in America, in Canada, in Europe, that had the money to invest in what we were offering and spoke the same language that we actually spoke, right? So we had to actually use social media, and it's a blessing to us. We're just so grateful for the platforms that are available for free and give us so much opportunity. And so when you ask, is social media worth investing for? Well, we built our entire business up till today on just social media, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. And I mean, this is our headquarters here in Austin, Texas. Not too bad, right? That we have. And this is all from meeting awesome people through social media when you bring in the personal aspect to it. So just, you know, if you're still asking that question, like, can you really get clients if you invest into social media? Well, I'm going to share with you a little bit of our lead sheet so you can see what comes in as far as, okay, potential clients that we have found through our strategy that we implement through social media, right? So I'm just going to share with you all these people really quickly, and we have month to month have come from social media, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. This is all data. This is all the names of people that were interested and qualified that we connected with. This is all through, right, social media. So ask yourself, is this something you want to build? In addition to what you may already be doing, you may have a physical business and you're questioning, like, should I really put all this energy and money into social media? Well, we believe that this is where everything in the world is going. Not to diminish the physical realm, because that's important, but it's crucial right now, in our opinion, to be on social media as if you are paying rent on your Instagram account. Like, just imagine you have a physical place right now. You're paying rent because of you have an Instagram profile. Even though it's free to you, imagine that you're investing $40,000 per month with the products, the inventory, the physical rent. And so, yeah, when we get asked that question of, like, should I invest in social media? Right here are just some numbers that, you know, I was doing some numbers, right? And this was actually, where am I looking at, right? Okay, cool. This is one form of payment through Stripe. This was our first one form of payment of Stripe, our first 12 months in business. And then within the second year, this is one form, right? And then doing the math, right, so far. And we're not done with your year yet. So, I mean, this is all from social media. Like, we can only speak of where we come from, what we believe in. And, you know, if you haven't taken social media seriously, or you're not making money from social media or taking it, like, serious enough, then the time is now. You got to take it seriously. You got to start investing either your sweat equity, your time, your energy at first, or your money on social media, and it'll pay you tenfold. It's just unbelievable, the access and the people that you're able to connect with worldwide, millions of people in an instant. You're able to when you take it seriously. So we're definitely excited for you to start investing, and let's take it to Isabel.
When it comes to actually having a physical location and then having a digital location, these are the two obvious choices, right? You have a physical location or a digital location. How much do you think one physical location is per month? You got to think of rent, you got to think of marketing, you got to think of what's inside the actual building. You know, the average is $3,000 to $5,000 for a really, really small, like, office in a corner, right? If you're talking about a place that has traffic, where there's cars seeing it, where there's actual activity happening, where people can actually see your storefront, then you go up to the range of 9,000 to maybe 20K per month, right? So if you take that into consideration, are you willing and able right now to open up a store where people can come into your store and you have to sell to them on a daily basis? You have to show up, you have to be dressed, you have to take a shower, you have to look presentable, you have to have a physical product to be like, here, buy this, right? All of that takes work and effort in a physical location. When we bring it to the digital, right, there's so much more opportunity. And this is the reason why everything's transitioning into this, because of one word. It's convenience, right? You can have endless amounts of Instagram, Facebook's, LinkedIn accounts. Endless. It literally doesn't cost you $1 to create a new Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn account, right? It will cost you a lot to have multiple physical locations. With a digital location, now you're able to not only promote through video, through audio, through pictures, through consistency, through showing up, through explaining what your product is. So by the time people come into your store, your physical location, or maybe you have a website where you have an actual Shopify, ClickFunnels, anywhere, and you can purchase a product, they have an awareness and they have an understanding of what that product or service is. So being able to really capitalize in the digital realm, that's where you actually get a lot of ROI, right? And if you're thinking about ROI as far as how much am I willing to invest in my digital location, 3 to 5K will get you 10 times the visibility than a physical location if you take that into the digital location, right? So consider that next time you think about whether or not you should invest into your digital location or whether or not you should invest into your business to drive up your numbers and sales and drive up your credibility and trust within your audience.
So we're about to jump into a meeting. We just wanted to share that with you. We'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe. If you liked it, throw a thumbs up. If you loved it, throw a heart. Feedback below. Comment what you got out of this video, and we'll see you next time.
Let us know if you actually want more of those videos, because we have plenty of these suckers. Talk to you soon.